Welcome the our channel. Today we how to turn off Gmail desktop notifications, alert control step by step clearly. Open Google Chrome or the browser where you use Gmail. Go to mail.google.com and sign in to your Gmail account. Look at the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings. Click See All Settings to open the full Gmail settings page. Stay on the General tab, because notification options are usually managed there. Scroll down until you find Desktop Notifications. Select Mail Notifications off to disable Gmail desktop pop-ups. Scroll to the bottom of the page to make sure the change is saved. Click Save Changes if the button appears at the bottom. Now open Alert Control from your desktop or from your browser extension list. In Alert Control, go to the Apps or Services list where Gmail notifications are managed. Find Gmail or Google Mail in the list and click it. Locate the toggle or switch that controls pop-up notifications for Gmail. Turn the Gmail notification toggle to off. If Alert Control has a sound setting for Gmail, set the sound to muted or off. If Alert Control has a priority setting, set Gmail priority to low or disabled. If you see an option called Allow Notifications, change it to Block for Gmail. Next, open your browser settings to double-check site permissions. In Chrome, click the three dots at the top right and choose Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then click Site Settings. Click Notifications to view which websites are allowed to send alerts. Find mail.google.com under Allowed to Send Notifications. Click the menu next to mail.google.com and select Block. Confirm the change so Gmail can no longer trigger desktop alerts. Close the Settings tab and refresh your Gmail tab once. Send yourself a test email from another account to verify no pop-up appears. If you still see alerts, restart the browser to apply all notification changes. If alerts continue, check that Focus Assist or Do Not Disturb is not overwriting your test results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.